This video is especially meant for parents in an effort to help you understand Fundations and what we do and why we do it. As our schedule has been very different this year, it's been challenging to work on Fundations daily because it is meant to be a sequential activity where each day builds on the other. But as we are able to do bits and pieces as we're at school, I just wanted to explain a few things in order to help you understand what we're doing and why. So one of the big things that we talk about in Fundations are the syllables and words. And when we talk about syllables, we say that they're words or parts of word that have one vowel sound, and that's how we do it. We do the V for vowel. So we want to do this because it helps with larger words. When we get to those bigger words in texts and we're trying to break them apart and figure out how to say them and how to read them, knowing how syllables work together can really help with breaking down those larger words. So when we start with our basics, we always will look and decide what a vowel is doing and why in a word, because again, syllables are all about those vowels and what possible sound they're making and why. So your basic example would be the word cat. So what we would do is we would look at our word cat and we would say, well, there's an A in this word, and this A is being closed by this T. That's how we say it. It's closed. And because it's closed, that causes the vowel to be short. And a lot of times we can also say there's one vowel, so there's probably one syllable. And when I say this word, cat, it is only one syllable sound or one syllable. So we swoop our syllables just like that. And then because we know the A is closed in, we write a C for closed. And again, because it's closed in, the vowel is a short sound. So it says cat, ah. So this is your basic place to start with syllables and spelling rules. And you might also have seen or heard this called a CVC word, a consonant, vowel, consonant word. Consonant, vowel, consonant words do not have to be with just one consonant at the end either. This word could also have been cash, and it's still closed in by a consonant. So this is a consonant digraph, and it again is making the word cash because it's closed, so the vowel is short. Then the opposite of a closed syllable is what is called an open syllable. And although, well, I'll use a real word. No, let's say so too. I'll just go ahead and use a word that's not real. You're not going to typically see many open syllable words that are just one syllable. You usually see open syllables in longer words that have more than one syllable. So we're going to use the CA like we did in cat and cash and use this as an example. Again, this is a nonsense word. This is a word that is not real. So in this particular word, we will notice that there is one vowel, meaning it's probably one syllable. And the vowel is what we would call open. The vowel's at the end of that syllable. There is no consonant after. So it's one syllable. And because it's open, it's actually a long sound, which means the proper way to read this fake word is K, because I'm going to change the A to be a long A. There's another type of syllable that we talk about in the beginnings of Fundations. I'm going to build upon this word. I'm going to take this away. So you've also got these, which is called the vowel consonant E syllable. So this one makes you think because most students can read this word correctly, But this word has 2 vowels, but it is not a 2-syllable word. It is only a 1-syllable word because it's only making 1 vowel sound, cave. So k, ave, a is the vowel sound. And then we mark that one like this, vowel consonant E, because it could be any vowel. Because this is a vowel consonant E, the vowel is long, and that E is a silent E, and that's how you mark that one. So these are your 3 pretty basic syllable types, but there are more. There are many more. And being able to apply these to words can help with some basic spelling, and then to also break down larger words. So I'm going to go ahead and add on to this. There's a real word, concave. If I was marking this word, I would say, well, this O is closed. So I say con, and then this syllable, this is a 2-syllable word, is a vowel consonant E. And we can get into all of those intricacies of spelling and reading. So students being able to build words and then identify what type of syllable is this can take them a long way in reading and spelling. Eventually, we'll find ways to implement this practice more and more. But for now, I just wanted to show you a simple explanation, well, fairly simple, right, of what we do and what we discuss in Fundations and why it is so important for reading and writing.